Now give me the maximum possible value for you know, when you round off, you get 200. The possible value. Huh? 195? I don't think so, leh. Maximum, leh. Maximum, leh. No. 249, correct. 249. Because if you have 249, you round off, is 200. You cannot round off, yeah. Correct, you're right. Very good. 500, eh? 549, you understand, This kind of question, 549, they like to come up with this type of question, but different, slightly different. Something like that, yeah. They like to come up. So make sure you know. With me, sometimes they ask you to round off nearest 100. Sometimes nearest 10, yeah. Nearest 10, yeah. So nearest 10, you look at this one, right? Yeah. You see what this one will be, so the other way around. Now you will look at this number. But if you round off 10, you look at this number. Okay? Yeah, this answer. Two mark, 4 mark really. Easy, right? Okay, find the minimum possible value of the sum of the two integers. So which one do you add? 150 plus 450. Easy, right? One mark, forget 1 mark. Okay. But if you get this wrong, no matter how easy, you get 0. So they are related. Yeah. Find the minimum possible value of the sum of two integers. So it's good. Yeah. It will be the minimum possible value for in this case is, yeah, it will be 150 plus 450 because 450 because this is the minimum possible value, yeah. So you use these two number equals to 600, is it? Yes. Okay. Answer. Yeah. Okay. All good. Next one, I clear the screen first. Wait, let me clear the screen first for you. Okay. In a statistic problem, when you see a graph or anything with statistic, write down the value first. Remember I told you, right? Write down the value first. First one, Monday. Number of brownies sold on Monday. How many? 70, is it? Monday, how many? 70, you're right. Tuesday, 90. Yeah, make sure you write it down on the moment you see a graph like that, 60. Thursday, 140, right? Very clear there. And the last one is 110. Okay. Saturday, nothing. We decide later. You tell me later. First question. Statistics are very easy question. Yeah. You look at the graph, just study the graph and then give the answer. How many brownies were sold on Tuesday? 90. Easy, right? Yeah. 90. Easy. Next question. On which day of the week was there a drop in the sales of brownie as compared to Tuesday? Which day? Very good. Monday and Wednesday. Drop, right? You compare Monday, Wednesday, drop. So answer is Monday and Wednesday. Compared to Tuesday, so Monday 70, Wednesday 60. So these two days drop. Monday and Wednesday. Normally for statistic question, they test you on English. Right? They test you on English only, isn't it? Next one. Express the number of brownies sold on Tuesday has a fraction of the number of brownies sold on Thursday. Okay, fraction, okay, Tuesday, how many Tuesday? 90. Has a fraction of the brownies sold on Thursday. Thursday, how many? 140. 90 over 140 lah. That's a fraction of. Right? Cancel, answer. 9 over 14. Answer. Yeah. Easy, right? Yeah. The number of brownies sold on Wednesday is 3/5 the number of brownies sold on Saturday. Calculate the number of brownies sold on Saturday. Yeah. Now they never give you. Can you see? Okay, but they give you this. The number of brownies sold on Wednesday is 3/5 the number of brownies sold on Saturday. Yeah. So Wednesday, how many? Wednesday is 60. You see, now you look at this question. You just form the algebra equation. That's all, right? Now, the number of brownies sold on Wednesday is 3/5 the number is sold on Saturday. Do you know how much on Saturday? Don't know. So get a number. Anything you don't know, you give what? X, right? Yeah. So I'll put here, you see, I don't know, right? I'll put here X. This is X. X, right? So Wednesday, Wednesday is how many? 60. 60 is equals to 3/5 of X. Do you agree or not? Yeah. Yes. 3/5 the number of sold on Saturday. Saturday you don't know. Let X be the brownies sold on Saturday. So based on the equation that they mentioned, the statement, 3/5 of X will give you 60 on Wednesday, right? You solve lah. This is just cross multiply only, isn't it? You can solve cross multiply, you can find X really. Yeah. So cross multiply for me. 60 times 5 divide by 100. No, 60 times 5 divide by 3. Yes. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Yeah. Equals to, so X is equals to, maybe I write smaller, 60 equals to 3/5 X. So it will be 60 times 5 divided by 3 equals to X, right? Yeah. 60 times 5, 5 times 6, 30, 300. 300 over 3 equals to X. X equals to 100. So this is 100. So maybe you might want to draw now. 100. 100 is actually here. You can draw already. Yes. So last question. Find the average number of brownies sold on the 6th day. What do you do? Tell me. Average 6 days. What do you do? Very good. 70 plus 90 plus 60 plus 140 plus 110 plus 100 divide by 6. Yeah, that's the answer. Yeah, okay. I write down. Oops. Where did you go? Sorry. Come back to this again. 70 plus 90 plus 60 plus 140 plus 110 plus 100 divide by 6. That's the answer. Would you want to tell me the answer? Can you divide? 95. Okay. Oh, yeah, calculate 95. So the rest, please check 95 equal 95. I leave it to you to check, okay? Easy, right? How many marks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 marks. Yeah. So very easy, really. Clear screen. Number 9. Yeah, do for me first. You are supposed to now. Alvin brought some stationery from a bookshop. 90 cents, 2.25. Now, first question. You are going to round off each item to the nearest dollar. See, right? Now round off, but they give you 90 cents, 2.25. Round off to the nearest dollar, and estimate the total cost of the stationery. Nearest dollar, no cent. No cent. So the answer is when you round off to the nearest dollar and you find the total cost. So the first one, how much? Nearest dollar. $1. Second one. Very good. Third one. Third one, no. 185. $2. Next one. $3. Sorry, this one. $3. And the last one is total. 4, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, 10, $12, right? Total. So the total cost of the stationery is $12. Answer. Okay. Now, how much lesser is the estimated total cost compared to the actual total cost? What do you do? Calculate the actual. Continue. Minus 12. Estimate. Yeah, right. That's the answer. Yeah. How much lesser? Get the total cost minus $12 estimated. That's how much lesser you calculated just now. Yeah. Okay. As to compare to the actual cost. So take the total of this. What's the total of this? Can you give me please? This one. How much is it? Can you help me to add, please? $12. This one add up together how much? This one? Exactly 12. Oh, sorry, can you hear you? $12, 65 cents. $12, 65 cents. Thank you. $12, 65 cents. So how much less? How much less? 65 cents. Yeah. How much less is so you take $12, 65 cents minus $12. How much less? 65 cents. Yeah. That's the answer. Yeah. Okay. Let me copy first. Let's give me a minute. Easy, not difficult, isn't it? Next one. Okay, do this for me. Read this question first. Tell me how you solve. Yeah. The length of he bought two ribbon, one red, one blue. The red ribbon 192 cm. The blue ribbon 120 cm. So two, okay? Now, she wanted to cut both ribbons to equal shorter length, without any remainder. She only cut, but it must be the longest possible length. It's the longest possible length. To solve this kind of question, it is either LCM or HCM. So which one should you use? HCM or LCM? LCM. No. You don't use LCM. Why? Why HCM? Where is the word that tell you HCM? Longer. Yeah. Highest common factor. Longer. Highest related to longest, right? Larger, right? Bigger, right? Anything that is big, big, taller, anything like that. HCM. Yeah. Okay, so you look at this. You are going to cut it into using HCF. So take 192 and 120, find the HCF. Very easy. Let's do. I will write here red ribbon. Red ribbon is here. Red ribbon is 192. Blue ribbon is 120. 120. Okay. Find the LCM. I will start with 2. 2, smallest number, right? Okay. 9 times 2, 18. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 2, 12, 0, right? I can still use 2, right? 6 and 0. So 2. 4 times 2, 8. 1, 8 times 2, 65, 8, 16. 3 times 2, 6, 0. 8 and 0, still 2, right? 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8, 15. 2 cannot really, isn't it? Because 5, right? 5 behind. So 24, 15, 3. 8 times 3, 20. 5 times 3, 15. No more already, right? 8 and 5. You cannot find another common number that you can divide in 5, right? So the HCF is 2 to the power of 3 times 3, right? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24. Equals to 24. Now look at the question. What is the longest possible length that the oven can cut both of them? Answer is 24. Because this one is cm. So the answer at the end is cm. So answer is 24 cm. Cut both 24 cm. Every one 24 cm, you have no remainder. So this is the largest length. Okay, cut. Next question. How many red pieces can he cut? Red. How many? 8. That's all there. Yeah. 8. How many blue ribbon can he cut? 5. How many can he cut all together? 30. 8 plus 5. 30 pieces of 24 cm length. 24 cm length. 13 pieces. Yeah. So answer all that one. They use HCM, but depend on what they want to ask. All that. So the answer is, how many red ribbon? Answer is 8. Under 8 red ribbon. 8 red ribbon. Okay? Easy, right? Yeah. Okay, copy. Oh, okay. Let's see. Next question. Oh. Number 10. Another algebra expression, isn't it? I told you, algebra expression must be good. You can do algebra expression, you can do all the logic. Number 10. Peter's present age is 9 years old. Peter's son X 1/3 of his age, right, in terms of X, LS age in 5 years' time. Okay. A. How you do this? How you do this? First question. This one I better plug inside, else no more battery. Okay. Let us do first one. Okay. Peter. How old is Peter? Put Peter here first. Peter. How old is Peter now? Write down those that you know. 9x. Peter's son, Alex. How old is Alex? 1/3 of his age, right? Which is 1/3 times 9x. Give you 3, cancel. You cancel 3 times 3, 9. 3x, am I right? Okay. Now, let's look at the question. I want you to tell me in 5 years' time, how old is Alex? Give me the equation. 5 years' time, how old is Alex? From what you see here. Plus 5. Not times 5, plus 5. Because 5 years' time, right? 3x plus 5. Very good. That's the answer. Yeah. Not times 5. So the first one, 3x plus 5. Answer. Yeah. Okay. How old is Peter's age in 5 years' time? Peter. 9x plus 5. Very good. 9x plus 5. Total age? Plus both together, right? You plus both together, total, number last one, you plus both together, total. Give you 12x plus 10. Answer. That's A, yeah? Okay. Now, can you do for me B? If the value, find the value of x if their total age in 5 years' time is 58. So how do you form the equation? In 5 years' time, their total age is 58. Can you form the equation for me and find the value of x? How do you do? How do you form the equation? What is the total age? Give me the total age. Yeah, but form the equation for me. Find x. Yes. The total age is actually 12x plus 10, right? And they already tell you 5 years' time is 58. Both are 5 years' time. Solve x. Algebra equation, isn't it? So you have 12x. Bring 10 over, give you 58 minus 10 equals to 12x 48. X equals to 48 divided by 12. Answer? 4, right? Yeah. 4, right? 4. X equals to 4. Answer. Yeah. Is it easy? There is no question that you cannot do. You just got to be steady when you go into the room for your test and exam. Steady. Okay? Yeah, like that. The questions are all like that. Yeah. Paper. Okay, next one. Let's clear this paper. Yeah. Okay. This is another statistic question. Very easy, right? Yeah. Now, let's see. The table shows the number of hours spent by 20 students. 20 students, First one, 20 students. First one spent 2 hours, second one spent 5 hours, third one 2 hours, 0 hours, 4. So 20 students. The number of hours spent on gaming on the particular day. Yeah. So, in other words, one student, so from what you see here, one student spent 2 hours, another spent 5 hours, 2 hours, never play, 4 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, and so on. So this is the number of hours they spend for 20 students. Okay, look at the first question, very easy. You are going to complete this table. Number of hours, are 0 hours. How many are there? 2. Am I right? You look at them, there are 2. They actually give it to you already for over here. So 1, 2. Yeah, but they give it to you. You are supposed to write it in tally, complete this table. So if you follow the pattern, in this case, for the first one, 2 on 2, right? You follow the pattern, right? The second one, 1, how many? 1. How many 1? Don't have, so leave it alone. 0, yeah. Now 2 already given to you. 3, how many are there? 3 hours are actually, you look at it, actually there are 4 now. 3, there's a 4. So you check lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. So 4 correct, right? So this one you just put 4 lah. 4, very easy. For 4 hours, they already give you 4. So you put 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's the answer. Easy, right? Yeah. First part, easy. Yeah. How many marks? 2 marks. See, that easy. Yeah. You just make sure you do the right thing. You do the wrong thing, they will deduct you. Make sure you do the right thing. Second question. If the above data is just represented in a pie chart, calculate the angle of the sector which will represent who spent 3 hours. 3 hours, calculate the angle of the sector which will represent the student who spent 3 hours on gaming. 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. We are going to represent this one. Let's see what they want. Calculate the angle of the sector which will represent the student. They want the student who spent 3 hours of gaming. Now, 3 hours, how many students? 4, right? 4, isn't it? They want in a pie chart. Now, it depends on what you want to do, actually. Now they ask you to calculate angle for the student. Okay. You're going to draw. You tell yourself, you're going to draw a pie chart. Pie chart. Okay, you're going to draw a pie chart to represent student. Am I right? Angle calculate, which represent student. So this is student. How many students are there? You allow 20, total 20. You add all this thing up, you should give you 20. Okay, am I right? Let's count. Do you give it 20? 7, 10, 18, 20. So correct, Okay. You must give it 20. Now you are going to represent 3 hours. Find the angle that calculate 3 hours. So how many students are represented for 3 hours? How many? That's how you calculated. 4, right? So you take 4. Total how many students? 20. Angle, one circle how many degree? 360. You calculate, calculate for me. 0, 0, 2. 36 times 2. How many? 72, right? 72 degrees, isn't it? 72 degree. So the answer is 72 degree for 3 hours for student. 72 degrees for 3 hours. That's the answer. 72 degree for 3 hours. Answer? Yeah. Okay. So make sure you calculate the right one because they want the angle for student. So angle for student, okay, so you must represent student now. How many students? 20. Yeah. How many students? 20. How many students for 3 hours? 3 hours then 4. 4 over 20. Make it into a degree. They want degree, right? Angle, right? 360. Okay, the degree later. Yeah. Last one. Now, a person will have to attend counseling session. Again, somebody play too many games, they must go and see a counselor. A person will have to attend counseling session if or she spend more than 4 hours or more. Yeah. What percentage of the student has to go for counseling? 4 hours or more. Look at the hours. 4 hours more, how many are there? 7. 7 divided by 20 times 100. This is a percentage. Yeah. 7. More than 4 hours, so 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equals 7 hours. So 7 over total 20 times 100%. That's your answer. Answer, please. 35. Yeah. You can do, right? Yeah. I think more already.